General Microbiology Practicum Practical Equipment Sterilization. 1. Monoxalametal Casino 190 to 111012. Charisma Musha Handiani 19 Alphabon 1110 to 3. Neural Alia Fatma 190 to 1110104. Tasya Wulandari 19 to 1110 to 5. Before starting the practicum, the table must be sterile first, then sprayed with alcohol, and then cleaned with the tissue. Sterilize Petri dishes using alcohol. When it has been given alcohol, then it is wrapped in newspaper in this way. Sterilize the volume pipette using alcohol. When it has been given alcohol, then it is given a cotton swab at the end and wrapped in newspaper in this way. Then the Petri dish and pipette volume that has been wrapped earlier will be inserted into the autoclave. Sterilize test tubes using alcohol and clean with the tissue. Then pour 9 milliliters of distilled water into a measuring cup. After that, put it in the test tube. Cover the mouth of the test tube with the cotton swab until you hear a puck sound, and coat it with aluminum foil until fully covered. Sterilize yellow tip micropipette using alcohol. After that, take a beaker, fill it with cotton, and then enter the yellow tip micropipette and cover it again with cotton, then coat with aluminum foil until it is evenly covered. Sterilize the blue tip micropipette using alcohol. After that, take a beaker, fill it with cotton, then insert the blue tip micropipette and cover again with cotton, then coat with aluminum foil until evenly covered. Agar bean sprouts media. Prepare Bunsen and tripod, then turn on the fire. Weighing bean sprouts as much as 7.5 grams with the digital scale. Putting bean sprouts into a beaker glass that has been filled with aquades as much as 100 milliliters. Heating the bean sprout solution using Bunsen and the tripod until boiling. So that it boils quickly, transfer it to an electric stove. Then weigh 4 grams of sugar with the digital scale. And 3 grams of agar powder with the digital scale. Filter the solution and take 100 milliliters, then put it into the beaker. Add 4 grams of sugar and 3 grams of agar powder into the beaker, then reheat until boiling. Put into a test tube as many as 6 pieces, and each the tube is filled with 6 milliliters of the agar tube solution. Then close the mouth of the tube reaction using a cotton swab until you hear a puck sound. Then cover with aluminum foil until evenly covered. Put the rest of the bean sprout solution into the Erlenmeyer, then close it and cover with aluminum foil. Potato agar. Weigh 50 grams of potatoes with the digital scale. Put 50 grams of potatoes into a beaker that has been filled with aquades as much as 200 milliliters. Heat the potato solution using an electric stove until it boils. Separate solid suspension and clear suspension by filtering. Two grams of sugar and 3.5 grams of agar powder. Take 100 milliliters of potato solution and put it in a beaker and add 2 grams of sugar and 3.5 grams of powder, so that then boil it again until it boils while stirring. Entering the potato solution into the test tube as much as 6 pieces, and each tube filled with 6 milliliters. Cover the mouth of the test tube with the cotton swab until you hear a puck sound, and coat it with aluminum foil until it is evenly covered. Bean sprouts and potato solutions were sterilized by autoclaving for 2 hours. After sterilized for 2 hours,